Okay, now we will see how arrays work. Okay, so we have integer array of 5 values. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and we pass this to display function. Okay, this array to display. This and A or only A. Okay, so here we have integer B array, and we see out for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than size of B and I plus plus. Okay, and we have C out and value at B. We will print this. Okay, let's compile this program. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, because that is less than size of B. So less than or equal to. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have this, and if we pass the A and we change this to function, okay, using pointers, and we just pass the address of first variable. How to pass the address of first variable? First value is 0. Array starts with 0. So it will pass the address of first value. Okay. Now we have to change it. We have integer B. Okay. And this will be a pointer. Now we have here integer I is equal to 0, I is less than this, and we have to increment B plus plus. Okay, we have to increment B plus plus. B plus plus means the next value, right? Because the first value we have passed 1, the second value is B plus plus, the address. The B plus plus means the second value 2. Next B plus plus is 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is how we print the value, the array. You see this 1, 2, 3, 4. If we close this and I compile it again to see whether it is working or not, because that is output of, okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3. So we should print because it holds not B. This is value at J. Value at B. Okay. This is I. This is not J. This is value at this pointer. Okay. If we close this and compile it again, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have the value. Because pointer B is incrementing, we are passing the address of first element. We are passing the address of first element. Second element is, the address of second element is b plus plus. B holds the address of first element. So when b increments, it increments to the size of integer. So the second element again increment, the third element again increment. So we print the value of b, value at the address, value at that address. If we change this to 10, if you see 10 and 20, and if we have here new line and L, okay, and if we close this, and if we compile it again, you see 10, 20, 3, 4. So this is how we pass the addresses to functions. First thing, and first the name of the array is address of first variable 10. Name of a is address of first variable. We can pass a. Okay, it will hold b will hold the address of a. A means address of 10. So b plus plus means address of 20. Again b plus plus means address of 3. Again b plus plus means address of 4. Okay, so this is less than size of b. That is why we have 10, 20, 3, 4, not 5, right? To see the loops also. So this is how we use arrays, and we pass to functions, and we increment the pointers to the size of the type of the array. Size is integer, it will increment to 2 bytes, 4 bytes. On 32-bit systems, it will increment to 4 bytes. Okay, on 64-bit systems, 8 bytes. Every integer will take 8 bytes. Okay, so this is how arrays work, right?